Savasana and Apanasana. Gently lie down on the floor on your back. Place the arms beside your body with the palms facing upward. Keep your feet relaxed and take a few breaths in this posture. Relax the whole body and the mind. Just observe your breath. Now, after a few breaths, stay in the lying posture. Bend your legs at the knees. Gently lift them above the floor and place the palms on the knees. Inhale here. As you exhale, gently draw the knees close to you and take your attention to your lower abdomen. Inhale and take the knees away from you. Exhale, gently draw the knees close to you as you take your attention to your lower abdomen. Inhale and take the knees away from you. Repeat this 4 times by yourself. As you exhale, you draw the knees, and as you inhale, you take it away from you. Once you have completed it, come back to Shavasana. Relax your body. Take a few attentive breaths over here. Completely relax yourself and just observe your breath. After a few breaths, come back to your sitting position. As you get up from one side of your body, turn to a side and come back to the sitting position.